All right, the tray.
Is there any way you can?
Then connect the fan. Connect that fan, please. Please, I can hear you.
Is there any way you can like show me?
Have the time? You have like 2 hours to spend.
2 hours?
Yes. If you have 2 hours, no problem. We'll get fish right now and then we'll make this happen. You have 2 hours, like 2 hours.
I don't mind, just to make sure.
Then let's do something. So, okay. If it's a bigger fish, I will show you the cord. You see the cord. But if it's smaller fish, the cord will be there, but it's very small. It's there, Abi?
Yes.
And you can see it. This is it. It has this rough edge. See there are some other things there. So some other white things there, like this other one now. See this one too. But this one is like fat. And look at the difference between. Put it on my hand. Put it on my hands. That's the difference. Can you see the difference? This one, you know it's fat. This one by this side. But this one that has rough edge, that is the cord. That's the cord. This is one that you remove when you are processing your fish. This is an asset to you. This is what will give you cod liver oil.
Liver oil.
Yeah.
And we use for other processes.
Yes. This will give you cod, which is also useful for you can spray it on top of salads. It's good for bodybuilders. Instead of buying cod liver oil supplements, you can use this. Yeah. So now to process this to the right way, you have to get a non-sticky pan. Imagine you are processing so much fish, you will get most of these things. You get a non-sticky pan, place it on a hot plate, then place these things inside of it. They will melt, they will give you liquid. Hopefully we'll be able to do that today. I hope we can. If I have the time, I'll show you later.
So this is the fan?
Yeah, that's fine. We're not going to do this. This is the plug. Plug for it.
So the fan helps in distributing the heat, right?
It doesn't help. It doesn't help. It will. That's one fish. You are feeling it from there, right? This is, and that's a pan, which is optional though. It's optional. Okay, all right, look it up. Easy. So, see the place, this is the temperature we are working with. Ideally, you shouldn't let your oven exceed 150 degrees Celsius. So you can see we are keeping it very low, around 100 degrees Celsius, which is best. Which is best because the lower your heat, the better it will cook your fish faster and better before your fish start getting done outside. You can also control that from here. You can control it from here. When you turn this anti-clockwise, that means you are increasing the gas inflow. But when you turn it clockwise the other side, you are reducing it. So if you want to reduce your temperature here, all you need to do is to turn this anti-clockwise a bit. Then you get a reduced temperature right over there. Okay, you're asking me what accessories come with your oven. Now I'm just running this oven for a customer. Now from here, apart from this cylinder, from here down to this place, we'll run the hose for you. It comes to the oven, the tires, this one, the gas burner, the regulator, they all come with the oven. Then temperature gauge too, will all come with the oven. Double padded on all sides with all the racks that could be inside. Yes, those are the things. Apart from the cylinder, every other thing, including the hose, including the regulator, the industrial control, which is this, we are giving it to you. Everything comes with your oven. All right. So yeah, this is the ending of the fish inside the oven. This is properly done, well done. Just removed it now, and yeah, we'll consume this.